10 reasons to start drinking green tea every day. You've probably heard that green tea is one of the healthiest drinks you can have, but do you know why? What makes this ancient beverage so beneficial to your health? And how does it affect your body when consumed regularly? Green tea was first considered as a costly drink in ancient China, enjoyed only by the wealthy and royalty. But after the fall of the Mongolian Empire, everyone started enjoying it. Today, no one is stopping you from purchasing and brewing some green tea. Yet, buying some of this precious tea might have never crossed your mind, that is, by now. What makes it so healthy? This tea is loaded with polyphenols which help reduce inflammation and fight cancer. The large amounts of the natural antioxidants called catechins help prevent free radical damage, thus preventing premature aging and many diseases. One of its most potent compounds is epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG. In fact, it is one of the main reasons why this tea is so healthy. Moreover, green tea contains many essential vitamins and minerals. What happens to your body when you drink green tea regularly? Here are several reasons why you should drink green tea more often. 1. Lowers the risk of diabetes. Drinking green tea cuts the risk of type 2 diabetes by 42%, according to a Japanese study. However, more studies are needed to prove this. 2. Reduces cholesterol. Green tea can improve your LDL cholesterol, total cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. By reducing these risk factors, green tea lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease by 31%. 3. Reduces the risk of heart disease. The polyphenolic compounds, catechins in green tea help protect the cardiovascular system from damage. By reducing the bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels, it also reduces the risk of heart attack and stroke. 4. Lowers the risk of cancer. Antioxidants help protect against the development of many types of cancer. And, since green tea is abundant in potent antioxidants, it's logical that it could lower the risk of some types of cancer. One meta-analysis showed that drinking green tea reduces the risk of breast cancer by 20 to 30%. A different study discovered that it reduces the risk of prostate cancer by 48%. And another meta-analysis concluded that it lowers the risk of colorectal cancer by 42%. Still, more research is needed to prove the green tea's ability to help prevent the development of cancer. 5. Improves digestion. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties, so it helps relieve digestive problems linked to ulcerative colitis, inflammatory bowel disease, and Crohn's disease. 6. Boosts liver health. Consuming this tea regularly can help reduce the effects of alcohol on the liver. The high amounts of catechins in green tea could also help protect against liver tumors. 7. Improves brain function. The caffeine in green tea helps improve mood, memory, reaction time, vigilance, and other aspects of brain function. What's more, the amino acid L-theanine found in this tea boosts the ability of GABA, an inhibitory neurotransmitter with anti-anxiety effects. The combination of these compounds helps improve the brain function. 8. Aids weight loss. By accelerating your metabolism, green tea helps you lose weight more quickly. There are even studies which prove that it helps reduce body fat, especially in the stomach area. One, in particular, showed that it helps reduce body weight, body fat percentage, belly fat, and waist circumference. 9. Improves dental health. Green tea contains plenty of catechins which are powerful enough to destroy bacteria and prevent viruses such as influenza virus. They can prevent the growth of the primary harmful bacteria in the mouth, Streptococcus mutans. What's more, drinking the tea on a regular basis helps reduce the risk of caries and improve the dental health and breath. 10. More benefits. Relieves arthritis symptoms. Treats genital warts. Prevents common cold and flu and treats many skin problems. Make sure you choose a high-quality brand to get the maximum of these benefits.